Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got some Chainsawman opening and endings, all right? If you're watching this right now on YouTube, we are completely finished with Chainsawman and the movie, okay? When we first did these, we watched them right after every episode. So if you see us jumping around, changing clothes and shit, we changed it's a compilation basically of our reactions after the episodes, because that's how you're supposed to watch it. All right, patreon.com/afterthecredits if you want to see full, uncut, early access. We're going to be dropping the entire show within a few days, and then the movie after that. Hope you're ready. Let's get it.
Oh, that's nice. Look at, oh.
It's a little 3D action.
She looks cute with the horns. Oh.
Oh, they like the girl from JJK.
I bet she's gonna be my favorite.
With the horns?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's cute. Oh,
What is happening?
She might be my favorite too.
Oh my god, he getting walked?
Oh my god. Ew.
What is going on?
Hey! Hey, this is a good ass opening.
Girl, I'm so excited.
Oh my god. I've heard good things about this show too. And I love the vibe they all have.
Uh-huh. Ooh, ooh.
Oh,
Dancing.
what? Look at him. Oh, I'm a love. Oh, it's Mappa. It's by the same people who made JJK or like animated.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be fucking good.
It's gonna be good. You don't want to do no outro for that?
Fuck.
Okay. Some rock vibe.
Yeah, very rock. Damn. I was about to say some of these visuals. Like, did we see that? But yeah, we did. This whole show, it sounds like this should be in its own movie. I don't know. They're all like openings, bro. It's crazy.
It's a lot of clips from that first episode.
Yeah, I noticed that from like a few seconds in, which I guess makes sense. And I will say, definitely the best design of Nugent's. Oh, the buddy.
Oh, you.
I love the rock vibe they just go with. Like,
yeah.
The whole entire rock vibe, I love it. I can't get enough of it.
Mm-hmm.
It's just every single time. I will say that they really did step up their game. They start you off with this one. From here on out, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It is crazy.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Ending 1 of episode 2.
Oh. Sounding crazy.
I'm mad that we didn't immediately watch it, because apparently these are all like really good.
And that you
and
have to watch them.
Different too.
Yeah.
I didn't know they were different endings. And they said they correlate with each episode as well. So it'll be fun watching them from now on.
The animation.
It's very cute. I like the art style.
Mm-hmm. Cute room too.
I Aki. Have we seen that sword? Wait, he has one on his back, right?
Yeah, he has one.
This sounds like an opening to ending. It's kind of crazy. Ooh, POV.
Oh.
I love her eyes.
They're very unique. I like her whole look.
Yeah. Hey, good little trio, man. Give me JJK vibes.
Good little trio.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they ain't.
Yeah, they are.
Hmm.
I like, especially when they were like in the house together.
Yeah.
All of them, that was cute.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ending 2.
I like this. Very,
What the hell?
very different from the first one. Super creepy. Okay.
Ooh. Hello, I like this one. It's a lot more grunge.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this one. Oh, this reminds me of Gotcha Kuda. Remember when he was falling?
Wow.
She that boy, bruh. She the angel? Or his angel? Oh, this
It's like 3 songs in one.
literally. Like, these all seem like openings. Like, these could be openings. And I wouldn't blink an eye. Oh, Pochita.
The trio again. That was crazy.
That was a good ass one. Hey, man. I love Pochita because it reminds me of your auntie's dog. Manchita.
Why? The name and how tiny?
And how tiny and round they are. Because Manchita's round.
Manchita's very overweight.
Round little baby. And then, so we're starting off the episode after this. We starting. This is ending 3. Excited. It's crazy they took like the time to do like different animation styles, different ending songs.
But I've never seen that before for every single episode.
Yeah, I've never seen that or heard of that. Oh shit. Uh-oh. She a little bit of everything. Oh, you saw that? She bust out the top of the thing.
Ooh.
Our valedictorian? Oh yeah, get you a girl that can do both.
That was cool.
Chun-Li.
This one about her then.
Oh, it can be all about her. Let's get an age check on Power, bro. Oh, why they singing it? Uh-oh.
I want to know so much more about her.
I bet you people did these dances. She's so cute.
Yeah.
Too bad her ass don't be showering that often. Ooh.
Oh, that's cute. The black dress.
I love.
So cute. So cute and goofy. Carefree.
Well.
Then I wonder if they're all going to get their own individual one.
Yeah.
She got hers.
Because that would make sense. And like Denji kind of got his before that. Well, I mean, I don't know. It was still showing all of them.
Yeah.
It might have been because that episode, you know how they say every episode is like based on the thing. That one was like based on her. Because like her cat, her boobs, saving her and the cat, touching her boob. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that was kind of her episode. Or her little storyline thing. Hella good though. Started at H. She had to catch it. Oh, that was the ghost.
Ooh. That's nice.
What the fuck?
Where should go?
I was really about to say that during the episode. That's what it reminded me of. Aww. These shots are so interesting.
Yeah. Her in the middle.
Holy jiggle physics. That centaur. Did you see that?
I did. Wow.
I like this one.
Lots of galloping animals.
Yeah, it seems like they do it like a lot of horses. We found out this shit the horse devil. It kind of seems like they're doing an equal amount of every character. Instead of just focusing on one like we thought. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Why is hair yellow?
Yeah.
Well, he also looks kind of yellow. Might just be
I don't know.
Might just be the thing. But yeah, his hair is yellow.
Yeah, I was like, who
Let me
is
find
that?
out he about to go through some Tokyo Ghoul. You know what I'm saying?
I like his hair.
Yeah, I don't think it'll change that, but
Oh my gosh.
oh, that's really cool. Ah, well. Which I like this with all the styles. Damn.
What's that?
What the hell?
It's weird.
Have you ever seen Labyrinth? This is what this reminds me of. I like the colors there.
This one's giving way more ending
Yeah.
than the other ones.
Yep.
They said
Might
we
be
need
the
a
art
break.
style as well. Ooh. He looks different. I can't remember. Does his form look that mechanical? Like he got wires and shit?
Wires?
Yeah. Like it looked kind of cybernetic. I can't remember what like it 100% looked like. I like these.
That's cute.
Wow, that was cute. Yeah, that one definitely gave more ending
Yeah.
than the other ones, but it was still good. I do like how like they have different endings for every single one. Cause like, bro, it's unique. It's very unique. I like that a lot.
What you think he gonna say? Yeah.
I would.
I don't know. I feel like he would, but then again, like, I don't know. She puked in his mouth.
I don't know. He might be thinking like, oh, that's cute.
It's cute.
The game. Chainsaw. He kept being killed.
Okay.
Put a shot in the lingerie. What the fuck is Power doing?
They're all in.
Why they got them all hot and shit?
They're all in suggestive poses. That's how
Kinda
Denji.
hockey.
That's how Denji be looking at him. Oh God. Gosh.
That's crazy, bro. I still can't believe that shit happened. That was just stuff. They got nice lips though. They singing it.
Very cute.
Nice episode. Another good one in the books, man. I see why niggas want us to watch this. Very good. The episode was fucking crazy. Whooping my man's mouth.
My kind of show. It's like weird shit be happening.
Yeah.
But it's
You
dark
can't
at the
really
same
expect it.
time.
Pretty dark. Yeah, I love
lovely,
shows like this.
lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't show me her.
I mean, it's the last time. Might as well.
You're right. Show me her more.
Yeah.
I like this one. Darn, witchy. Her hair was shorter there. What was that?
I don't know.
What am I seeing?
Yeah, I like the song.
Oh, you nigga from Tokyo Ghoul. That looks clean.
I feel so bad for her.
For yeah.
Yeah.
She nuts. Yeah, like she in this line of field, Parker's fucking dying and shit.
I wanted her to get with him. Aki.
Fucking.
Even though I guess it was underquitted, but
fuck, man. Rest in peace.
oh
Fine
my
shit.
gosh, I really do feel bad because she was making a deal with Denji.
Yeah, come on.
I'll hook you up and
yeah. My bad, bro. Take that back, bro. Nigga done clicked off the episode. Babe, come on.
baby, we have to cut it. You gonna appreciate me later. Okay.
I'm not gonna appreciate shit. Why are they doing this to us?
No.
We got the idea. That was a nice shot. Oh, wow, dude.
They're doing a lot of like old VHS tape type thing.
I don't see anything that's VHS.
That
That's
is
cross-hatching.
no.
I mean, I just see comic dots. What's VHS-y about that?
The blood. It has that filter. It has that like.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. That grain.
Yeah.
That grain, that VHS-y grain. I see
Yeah.
what you're saying, my dumb ass. I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
My bad.
It's that mixed with the other
I see
the comic
exactly what
book
you're talking
type
about,
thing.
Queen. Mixed with the comic book thing. It gives like an old school look.
Yeah.
I know exactly what you're talking about now. My bad. You're absolutely right. Because it's on the pants too.
This is nice.
Okay, but actually, I like the dots instead of
Yeah.
like shading. It looks really nice.
These are just guts.
It's like the arms,
Is it?
like the ghost thing.
God.
Oh, wow. These are all like all these endings are so good.
Yeah.
They're all so different.
I would love to see an anime fully in this style. I really like it.
Yeah, I'd be down for that. It looks really nice, but
Yeah.
I feel like it'd be so expensive, like way too expensive. This ending for episode 10. Hey. They love doing stuff with animals. There's dogs in this one.
These are real animals
Yeah,
too.
they're like real dogs.
This is real too. It looks like they just put a filter over it.
Yeah, definitely look real dogs.
Man,
Yeah, it is real.
when we gonna get him on a leash walking?
You heard me?
Yeah.
It is real.
These are real
It
fingers.
just got negative.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing better not come back. Oh, it's showing all the devils we fought. Big. Oh, this is nice with the POV. Is that Pochita? She's so chubby. Damn. Oh. Oh, I like this one.
I had to blend in the two worlds.
Yep. Because that looks real.
I think everything that has that filter on it is real.
Yep. Good little ending.
It felt really short.
Yeah, that was a good ending. I like that one. It did feel a little shorter, but yeah, I fuck with that. That was really good. Yeah. All right, next episode.
Yeah, let's see the ending for the endings.
I like the way this one looks. It's 3D. Look like Code Lyoko for real. You know, you know.
Okay.
I like that it's 3D. It looks good. 3D.
I like the music.
Get it power. Get it power. Get it power. Get it power. Ugh, yeah. Yeah, I like the song. He always falling from somewhere, bro, in the openings.
Gotta look cool. What's these? The little tent they keep showing.
Yeah, I don't know. That's what I was. They didn't come out with a video game. They already got the models, apparently. Good ending. I like that one. That was very good. Enjoyable. Very enjoyable. All right. Ending.
Still don't know what that thing was.
Yeah, I don't know. Probably just like some. Oh, they all got cute outfits on, bruh. Dressed all normal. I mean, Power's usually dressed normal, but. She enjoys life so much.
Yeah.
We need some more little slice of life stuff.
I was about to say, I would love to see more of that.
You know the vibes they kind of give me? Like a more chaotic JJK group.
Good.
That looks amazing.
I still have pot stickers in the fridge.
This is so cute, dude. I love it.
Okay.
Like all the stretch. Meowie.
Damn, they ate it all.
Good eats, beer. Dang, you got the whole thing of apple juice? Oh. Oh.
Okay. Oh wow, we get
an opening for it? Large scale attack.
Okay, so that was them kind of signaling at it.
Yeah. Oh, this is good. Why she don't want to go?
What was that? I want to go back. Oh,
Pochita!
they showed like an animal when she went back.
It was just her.
That had horns just like her.
Go to Angel. Wow. Some more gun. I need more bullets. Oh, this is good.
There's Rick. Okay.
Oh, it's like that black dude on the horse. First animation. Look at him dancing. I hope they explain her extra horn.
Yes.
She like leveled up.
Ain't too hard.
Wow, that was really good. Whole little intro to the movie, man. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We don't have an official ending because, like I said, we watched this with everything. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe because we are literally in like 1 to 2 days posting a binge reaction in one video of our entire reaction to season 1 of Chainsawman. Okay.
Keep in mind though, Patreon like months ago.
Already finished it. Early access, full over there. Go check it out. All right. And then a few days after that, we will be dropping the movie as well. Insane movie. Can't wait for you guys to see our reaction to it. So like, comment, subscribe. Love y'all. Peace.